Technology. We are doing the first install of a MyGrid system for the Playmore trailers. Now these trailers are destined for use as movie trailers on Hollywood sets for the actors to relax in between takes. These are a little special system. They're using our lithium iron phosphate batteries. There is these batteries will last about 7,000 cycles, so hopefully that means they'll last up to 20 years. Most of our top of the line lead acid batteries will last 5 to 7, but these will last almost 20. The system consists of our inverter charger system, solar charge controller, all of the relays and control logic and protective systems to make the system work, and a generator interface. Again, with a hybrid system, you end up having a generator along with solar and utility power. It's a very simple system. To turn the system on, make sure all the breakers are off. Switch on the main switch. Note the charge controller is coming up and lighting up. To turn on the main inverter system, come over to its remote panel. Simply press and hold until it says searching. It's now up and running and supplying 120 output. Once that system's in place, switch the output breaker on. If there's power coming from shore power, switch on the AC input power, and finally switch on the generator power. These systems are set up so that if there's not sufficient solar, the generator can supply the power. If there's utility power available, it will tend towards using the utility power. And during the intervening time, it's operating off the batteries and the solar panel. Again, this is the MyGrid Hybrid Solar Energy System by Tetra West Technology.